Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Cleaning Without Sacrifice. So it is now September and everybody's thinking pumpkin, right? Like pumpkin spice. That seems to be the way to go. As soon as it's September, everybody wants pumpkin spice everything. In fact, I just kind of noticed my lipstick is kind of like a fall pumpkin-y color, right? So how funny is that? But Epicure makes it a lot of fun. So for example, I just got in a couple orders, and the most popular thing right now is our pumpkin cheesecake mix. So let me show you. Pretty cool, right? So I sold a ton of those. We got out our new catalog September 1st, and I think I probably sold 18, close to 20, I think even 19 orders of our pumpkin cheesecake mix. And I believe they come in packs of two packs of two. And the nice thing is, you guys, there's no sodium in there. You would be amazed how many cheesecake mixes have sodium. I wouldn't have thought that salt would be in cheesecake, but apparently it is, and much lower sugar content. So yes, it does have some sugar. There's 15 grams altogether. I will show you. I don't know if you guys can see that. But in a lot of cheesecake mixes, you will get at least 100 grams of sugar. That's ridiculous. And this has 15. Another bestseller is our pumpkin spice latte. Pretty awesome, right? So the pumpkin cheesecake, the pumpkin spice latte. We also have a pumpkin pie spice. Check that out. Pretty awesome too, right? So pumpkin pie spice. So, you know, Thanksgiving's coming, Christmas is coming. I know for Thanksgiving, we always have a big pumpkin pie. And in fact, we usually have like 2 of them because everybody loves it, right? So I think that I will make my own pumpkin pie with Epicure, of course, with the pumpkin pie spice and also a pumpkin cheesecake, and then I'll just kind of see which one that people like better. Because the nice thing about Epicure is that everything is low sugar and low sodium. So yes, you might find like a pumpkin cheesecake somewhere else, but it will not be nearly as healthy. I mean, sugar still isn't healthy, but if you're going to eat it, you know, have it be a little healthier than having like 100 grams of sugar. This one has 15, so that's pretty good. And in the pumpkin pie spice, there's no sugar. I just had to make sure. I didn't think so, but there's no sugar. All it has in it, you guys, all it says is spices. So under ingredients, it says spices. And I don't think you guys can see that, sorry, but it just says spices, and that's all. I'm just kind of seeing if it like mentions what kind of spices. I haven't used it yet, so I'm not sure, but that's it. And another popular one is our gingerbread spice. How awesome, right? So if you make cookies to give to your kids' teachers, to make cookies for Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever, add this spice. Same thing, I believe there's no sugar. There's no sugar. The ingredients, all it says is spices, not like calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide, blah, 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 all of those things that you don't know what they are. Look in the store the next time. You will see that if they have any like pumpkin spice or pretty much any spice, they will include a lot of artificial things that you don't need. With Epicure, there's nothing artificial. Limited sugar, limited sodium, sometimes no sugar, sometimes no sodium, and it's just good for you, you know. Non-GMO, gluten-free, all kinds of things, you guys. So it's perfect. So lots of pumpkin things. Tons of pumpkin things. So if you guys want to order anything, let me know. I do have the link for you at the bottom because now is the time to get all things pumpkin before it sells out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.